Runway 6 is in use. Notice airman. Runway 6 center line is obscured.
Now, Baron 5.5 Bravo Echo.
515 Bravo Echo, Wilmington ground clearance available, advisory copy.
Yes, sir, we're ready to copy.
5 Bravo Echo, clear to Greensboro Airport as filed. On departure, climb and maintain 2000. Expect 4000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 118.25, squawk 2445.
Okay, 515 Bravo Echo is cleared to Greensboro asphalt, 2000, 4010, 1825, and 2445 on the squawk. We're ready to taxi from Modern with Tango.
Here, 515 Bravo Echo, read back correct. Runway 6, taxi via Alpha Bravo.
6 via Alpha Bravo, 5 Bravo Echo.
Alright, Bravo, Alpha Bravo. Alright, hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to try to sync these cameras. 1, 2. Hopefully I've got audio. I got this plugged in. We're going to see how this works. I don't know if there's anybody coming from the left. Let's aim this camera out the front windshield. Let's see if we can do this. Like so. Maybe. I hope that works. We're going to see though. Yeah, looking good. We'll skedaddle back to Greensboro. I'll turn our traffic on just so we'll get, see if anybody's out there on final. I don't see anybody out there. Camera events. Alright. This is a G1000nxi as opposed to just the regular G1000. So it has a few more little bells and whistles on it. Alright, we're going to switch the tower. Put in 1825 for our departure. It'll bug runway 6 because I think that's what they'll give us runway heading to something, right?
Wilmington Tower, Baron 515 Bravo Echo is ready to go runway 6.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Wilmington Tower, fly runway heading, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear to go runway 6, 515 Bravo Echo.
So we'll get our lights. I've already got it in heading mode. We'll go mixture rich, props forward, everything's forward. Final is clear. Feet are on the floor. Runway 06, we're going up to 2000. Alright, thank you. That's my ForeFlight talking to me as my co-pilot. Here we go. Power's coming up. Get them nice and even. Alright, everything's good. Power's set. Airspeed's alive. I'll get a little aileron to pick that wing up. I think that strut's a little weaker than the other one. Here's through 8590. Positive rate. Gears coming up. Lights off. Yaw damp on. And we'll pull our props back. at vertical speed. We'll do 700 for a minute.
Clear 5 Bravo Echo, contact departure, have a good one.
Go to departure, 5 Bravo Echo, good day. Wilmington departure, Baron 515 Bravo Echo, 700, climbing 2000, runway heading.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Wilmington departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain 4000, turn left at Greensboro.
4000 direct Greensboro, 5 Bravo Echo.
So I set 4, I'll bug it around to my course line, I'll get it turning, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to hit direct, enter, and then I'll hit nav. And then I just follow the V-bars around. He's going to shallow it out a little bit. Try to get my props a little closer. There we go. Come on around. Alright, we'll tighten it up into the V-bars, and then I'll turn on my autopilot when I get it nice and trimmed for him. Looking good. Turn on the autopilot. George has got it. Away we go. We'll recenter this up so he doesn't chase it. We'll go back to the right. Alright. That's it for now. Let me come back here with this camera. We're still recording. I'm hoping I got audio. I think it's all plugged in good.
As a 5 Bravo Echo, with traffic to 23 left, I think I can make it work if you slow down. Can you do 170 or slower?
Yep, we can start slowing down, 5 Bravo Echo.
Roger, reduce speed to 170 or slower, and expect runway 32.
Okay, 170 or slower, 5 Bravo Echo, thank you.
I'll pull it back to Alright.
Grade 3 November traffic alert, 11 o'clock.
And then you know what we'll do? We'll go procedure, select approach, and I'm going to just put in visual for 3-2.
Server 3687 Lima, contact tower 181.
Vectors is fine. No minimums.
November 515 Bravo Echo. Did you want a RNAV 32 or just visual approach?
Visual will be fine for 5 Bravo Echo.
You'll be going to Raleigh on the go, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Direct Skyseas on when able, and we'll be going back to Raleigh, touch and go.
Number 863, Papa Roger. Number 515 Bravo Echo, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, 5 Bravo Echo.
Alright, that'll help.
November 7083 November, radar service terminated. Contact Stanley Tower 126.27.
Well, are we going to break out? There we go.
Airfield's in sight for 5 Bravo Echo. We broke out about 3400.
November 5 Bravo Echo, Roger. Cleared visual approach runway 32.
Cleared visual 32, 5 Bravo Echo, thank you.
Vertical track.
November 34904, X-ray contact Washington Center 124.05.
One 2405, another place.
November 515 Bravo Echo, contact Tower 119.1.
Tower 191, 5 Bravo Echo, good day. Greensboro Tower, Baron 515 Bravo Echo, is visual 32.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Greensboro Tower, wind 20015, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear land 32, 515 Bravo Echo.
Go get our lights on once we clear the land. Bump that up a degree. We're doing speed checks for gear and flaps. Approach is not active. We're going to hit approach. Now it's active. We don't know if it's going to grab these glide slope though. Who knows? We'll see. Glide path. One notch. Whoop. 3 green, no red. Lights are on. Mixture's rich. Flaps are approach. I'm going to ease the power back to about 14. Alright, looking good. So we got about, what do you say, 29? 29 crosswind, is that right? I don't know, we'll see. I was thinking it was.
Gate 7 Lima, turn right at Kilo 3, contact ground point 9er.
A little wider than that, but that's alright.
Alright, on Kilo 3 and ground point 9er, Gate 7 Lima.
Alright, out of 2,000, I'm going to go ahead and get full flaps. They're moving, speed checks. Alright, and indicated. Power's about where I want it. Prop sync is off. Everything's done except autopilot and yaw down. It's crabbing pretty good. You can see because of the wind, we're showing 27 knots right here, direct crosswind. It should lighten up though as we get down. I thought it was like 14 or 15 knots is what I said earlier. Ease the power up a little bit so we don't get slow. Got 17 now. I want to keep it above blue line right here, or right at blue line. All right, autopilot, yaw dams away. Left aileron, right rudder. There we go. Flaps up. Tail flaps open. Prop forward, mixture back. We'll go past this one. We'll go to the next one.
Number 5 Bravo Echo, safe parking.
We're going to the MRO.
5 Bravo Echo, roger. Right turn at Delta 1, straight in with me.
Delta 1, straight in with you, 5 Bravo Echo. Alright, we'll get our lights as we turn off. That was sporty. Sporty. Let's listen to that.
Wind 900 at wind 1. Visibility 1.
Well, it's at 1-1 now, but it was better than that when I come in, I think. Alright, here we go. Alright, Sam, everything's done. Well, thanks for riding along. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.
November 3034 Charlie.